Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get more sales. First, truly understand who you are selling to. Take time to define your ideal customer's demographics, like age and location, and their psychographics, such as interests and values. Knowing their specific needs and pain points allows you to tailor your approach, making your product or service incredibly relevant. Crafting detailed buyer personas can significantly boost your sales efforts by focusing on the right people. Next, you need to develop offers that your customers simply cannot resist. Clearly articulate the unique value your product or service provides, emphasizing how it solves their problems or improves their lives. Consider structuring your pricing to reflect the immense value received, perhaps with tiered options. Adding clear incentives, like a bonus item or limited-time promotions, can create a sense of urgency, encouraging potential buyers to make a purchase sooner rather than later. Third, optimize your entire sales process for maximum efficiency. Begin by mapping out every stage of your sales funnel, from initial lead generation all the way to closing the deal. Look for opportunities to automate repetitive administrative tasks, which can free up your sales team to focus on actual selling. Implementing a robust customer relationship management, or CRM, system is crucial for tracking interactions and managing your leads effectively, ensuring no opportunity is missed. Finally, focus on building strong, lasting relationships with your customers. Providing exceptional customer service and ongoing support even after the sale is paramount for satisfaction and loyalty. Actively seek out and listen to customer feedback. This valuable input can help you continuously improve your products and overall experience. Encouraging repeat business through loyalty programs and generating referrals from happy customers are powerful ways to sustain and grow your sales over the long term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.